Chinese New Year is around the corner, so let's make an easy steamed fish dish that is ready in 12 minutes to spend more time with your loved ones. This is the sizzling steamed fish recipe, perfect for 4 servings. First, prepare the steamer on the stove, fill it with water, and switch on the heat to medium. Cover the pan and let it come to a rolling boil. Then, marinate 800 grams of fish with 1½ teaspoon of salt in 3 parts. I have scored the fish diagonally on both sides for it to better absorb the sauces and oil later. Make sure to get the salt in the crevices of the score as well. Marinate the other side too. And the stomach area. Next, add 45 grams of sliced mushroom to the fish. I added 2 large pieces into the stomach. And sprinkle the rest of the small pieces around the fish. This adds a deep umami flavor as it steams. Alright, all done. The steamer should be ready now. Place the marinated fish into the steamer and cover it. Let it steam for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. I have 100 ml of water in a measuring cup. Add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix the sauce until well combined. Set it aside. Let's check on the fish now. It has changed color and it's almost cooked. Remove it from the steamer with a clamp as the plate is very hot, with a turner holding the fish to prevent sliding downward. Carefully pour out the liquid released by the fish and discard it. Place the fish back into the steamer. Slowly pour about 80 ml of the sauce all over the fish in between the crevices. Sprinkle 25 grams of ginger strip all over the fish. Cover the steamer and let it steam for 3 minutes. Once it is cooked, remove it from the steamer with a steamer clamp. Sprinkle 25 grams of spring onions, cut into 2 inches all over the fish. 35 grams of carrots, cut into strips. And 18 grams of chilies, cut into strips. Set it aside for now. Next, heat up 60 ml of cooking oil in the saucepan over medium heat until slightly smoking hot. This takes about 2 minutes. Once it is smoking hot, switch off the heat. Remove the saucepan with hot oil from the stove. Carefully pour the hot cooking oil all over the vegetable and the fish. The very hot oil will slightly cook the vegetable and our sizzling steamed fish dish is ready. Let's eat! Wow, it is so good! The fish is so sweet and tender. The vegetables are crunchy. The sauce is savory, rich and delicious. This will be perfect with rice. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!